So, an item arrived from DHL today. So what is it? It's the much anticipated Terraonion mode. I pre-ordered this back in 22nd of June and it literally just arrived half an hour ago. So let's just take a look at it and see what we have inside here. I'm doing this one-handed, so it's gonna be a bit slow. So here is the warning slip from Terraonion, requesting to download the PDF manual. These are some 3D printed legs, and here it is, the fabled mode. So this is the circuit board, and there's the extra cable for external power. So this is the underside, and this is the top side. So I will be making a video later to show how I fumble around and try to install this in my Sega Saturn. Yep, this is for my Saturn, not a Dreamcast. I don't actually have a Dreamcast. So I'm just gonna have like a unedited video later and you will just see how it goes from there.